Good evening and welcome. Let's wait for some time, some people to join. And let me just start with the introduction of today's live. So this live is bit of a special today. So this is the starting of a learn from legend series. So in this series, what I will do is every month I will invite at least one guest, and we will have learning uh, from that person's journey, from how they come across, how they have overcome with the situations, what has been the turning points into their life. So all those experiences and what all they advise to all our viewers today. So this is the starting of the first series today, and this person's when I met the today's guest, as you already know the name, I am just inviting Nishant here. Hi Nishant,
Hi Sanjay, how are you doing?
I am doing good. How are you doing? Thanks for your
I'm
time. I
doing.
was just announcing and just giving some introduction to all the people who are joining us today, and so I was just saying that this is going to
Thank
be
you. Thank you so
uh,
much for
the
inviting to your show, and yeah, I'm really glad to be here.
it's my pleasure. I'm just trying to give something additional apart from my tarot guidance. That people can learn from the people like you who have achieved something which is with very very limited resources with different conditions. So it really could be very very inspiring for all of us and will be motivating factor for all of us today. So that is the reason that one thought that inspired me that why not to start this series apart from just having the tarot guidance. So and why I'm saying this, we will talk about this when we continue our journey. So with that, let me just very very briefly introduce Nishant. As you might have seen in the announcement, 10,000 participants, uh, 20 plus countries, and 200 plus programs, right? But there are much more. The list is on, and I don't want to take that, that the thrilling, and it's better if we hear from Nishant. So Nishant, first of all, thank you so much for taking out time and joining this show.
Thank you.
I know there have been few couple of challenges you are going through in the family, but still you have made this you're you are honoring your commitment to be here. So I really appreciate that, and this is the first learning for me that come what may, challenges will coming, but if I have promised something, let me just make it. If I intend to do it, I can make it, or I can simply take an excuse. It's very simple, right? So that's the first learning for me. So with that, Nishant, I welcome you once again for all on behalf of all the viewers who are watching us now, who will be watching us whenever they have a time. So, Nishant, first of all, thing so far as I know, your journey has been amazing, or amazing and wonderful as well. Okay, so and so far as I know, you come from a very very lower background, lower in the sense you had lot many restrictions, in your childhood. So far as I know, but tell us. I mean, we would like to love from hear from you that how has been your journey so far.
First of all, thanks a lot, Sanjay. Thanks a lot for your kind words of appreciation. And yeah, the situation is never perfect. Life is never perfect. There will be challenges. There are challenges. There are obstacles, but we got to do what we got to do.
Yeah.
So, answering your question is yes, the journey was very interesting, very thrilling. Now I can sit here and talk about it that it was very thrilling, but going through those times were very tough. It was a test of resilience, grit, and patience. And as you know,
Mhm.
I never went to any college. I did not study beyond
Yeah.
schools, and
So, guys,
it was
this is the first interesting, the thrilling point I was about to make. I was saying that, okay, Nishant is not a graduate as well. He doesn't have even a formal graduation degree, and he made to be a position of a CXO. So let's hear that. This is the most inspiring thing. And just Nishant, I'll answer one question. Armin will take a question, but in between, so please hold on to it. I will
Sure.
take certain questions as well. I have the cards with me, so we will take on
Yeah.
that. Yes, Nishant, sorry. Please carry on.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sanjay. Thank you so much. And yes, as you said, I did not have any degree. I have no qualification, nothing, but still I work with Fortune 100 companies and led large portfolios and multi-million dollar programs and have trained more than 10,000 people in more than 20 countries and have coached more than 2,000 people so far coming from different countries, Dubai, Australia, Singapore, UK, US, and thousands of people in India as well. So the journey was really really very thrilling, exciting. But at the same time, when I was going through that, it was very challenging at
Mm-hmm.
that time. And I remember almost 27 years back when someone had asked me a question in English and I couldn't understand that. That was the first turning point, and that was a step when I decided to learn English. And I asked my friend that how to learn English. And he said, watch English movies, read English novels, read English newspaper, and speak to anyone in English without thinking what they are thinking for you. Now, the reading that I started doing at that time, that really expanded my mind. And in fact,
Mm.
at that time, I was a frog in the bowl. I was not even a frog in the well. I was a frog in the bowl. And then from there, I jumped into an ocean and I said, that is the life that I got to live. That is the life that I wanted to
Wow.
live. And
Wow.
so the journey that
Nishant, I
started.
just answer one of the yes, sir. This session is going to be. We will be taking questions, but as I said, today we have a guest coming in, so we will be having a learning session as well, and along with the tarot, so we'll be keep on taking the questions in between. So that is the announcement, and yeah, sorry, Nishant, please carry on.
No worries, Sanjay. So I'll conclude my answer to this question is the journey that started 27 years back from an embarrassment, but
Mm-hmm.
that actually became the stepping stone for my success. That was the time I made a determination that I'm going to be that person who can stand tall with his head high. And I reached up to this
Mm-hmm.
point. Thanks to the universe, thanks to all the
Wow.
support that I got. And as I said, it was challenging, it was tough, but I could achieve everything that I had envisioned at that time for myself. And from that
Mm-hmm.
point, working with the leadership position in Fortune 100 companies, have trained and coached thousands of people, reached to the CXO position, and now having my own venture. So it's a dream life that I'm living. I
Wow.
hope that gives you clarity.
Oh yeah, definitely. Journey is 27 years long. Journey is, we cannot just, conclude in just few seconds or few minutes.
Yeah,
It might even take, 27 days.
yeah.
So
There are a lot of
that's right.
stories. Stories,
Yeah.
yeah. We'll keep
So we
answering.
have
We have
started.
some more
Yeah.
time. We'll keep hearing things from time to time.
Hmm. Okay. So since this has always been, a tarot reading show, so I'm getting a lot of questions here. So, guys, those who are asking the questions, please type and keep writing your questions. I will take the questions in between as we carry on, I know, with the session. But please stay into the session because end of the session or in between the session, Nishant is going to share, a very, very amazing few advices which might be helpful for everyone, those even who are into the job or who are struggling to grow their business or who are struggling to start their business. And because he has gone through all that, right? Okay, he has also such a new job, and he has also asked the questions like, when will my situation improve, like you are asking today. So all that, so please hang on to it and keep typing your question. I will also involve Nishant in some places wherever the question is, and keep sharing and liking this video because that is very, very important. So with that, Nishant, uh, the next question comes to my mind, seeing your journey, right? So first of all, that is really very, very interesting and inspiring and motivating for all of us. I've already got a star here. One of our viewer has given me the star, like she's saying, "Wow." I mean, just listening to your, your journey. So Tell us, Nishan, what kept you keep going? Like, what was that motivating factor for you that you kept on going in spite, uh, so many challenges or so many turning points? If you can include just one of such example, like with the situation, that will be, really, really helpful for all the people.
Sure, sure, definitely, Sanjay. And I mean, my life is full of those kind of incidents and events, which
I
I
know.
keep,
So,
yeah, I keep sharing on social media. I keep sharing on LinkedIn mostly. I keep writing there. So
yeah.
as I said, the journey was full of challenges, rejections, humiliation, lot of dark phases and failures. I failed a lot, but
Mm-hmm.
that all became the stepping stone for all the success that I received, and I'm still getting it. And this is
Wow.
how the journey of every entrepreneur or a person who has reached to the top. I mean, they will all echo that, resonate that. We hear about Elon Musk. He was about to get fired from his company in 2008. He has
Yeah.
not reached here just, it's not a fluke, it's not an overnight journey. So we all go through that one. But the important point is that who are you being, what your mindset is. People need to understand that failure is never personal.
Mm-hmm.
You
Wow,
might
that's
have
wonderful
you might
point.
have
Yeah.
not succeeded in one event, but failure is never ever personal. You always got to keep looking at the silver lining and always ask the question, what lessons I have learned from here? And I think I kept doing that. And I have done a lot of experiments. I have done a lot of you can say things I tried in my life. I succeeded in few, I failed in few, but I moved ahead. So you got to see the silver lining. Another important factor was
Yeah.
my decision making. I never ever wasted any time in thinking. Like people say, I want to do this, but I'm still thinking. No, subconsciously, your heart already knows what decision you want to make. You are just waiting for some validation to come there. I never wasted any
Yeah.
time in thinking. Very quick decision maker. I'm still a very quick decision maker. Some of the biggest
Wow.
decisions of my life I have taken like this. I just go by my energies. I just go by the light and heavy. What makes you feel light, I do that. And I invested heavily
Okay.
on myself. I'm still continuing doing that. This is where
Mm-hmm.
most of the people get stuck. As all the top leaders and coaches of the world say, you got to learn and be coachable always. But people get stuck into that
Yeah.
rut of I know everything, and whatever I don't know, for that YouTube is there. But self investment
Yeah.
was
That's
never
that's
for me.
that's a very, very profound point that, never stop learning, never stop, investing in yourself. And in fact, Nishant, still, I have my own target of learning at least, 24 days in a year. And I have targeted even once in a or even a 2 days of a year is fine. I should get something new at least every month.
Absolutely.
So
And
that is,
I have invested lakhs, especially like, after I quit my job. It's not that I knew everything. It's
yeah.
not that there is no one in the world who can say that I know everything. I have invested heavily on myself. And see, there are three most important things without which you cannot get any result. And that is a
Mm-hmm.
mindset, habits, and routine.
Wow.
And
Mm-hmm.
this was probably the most important lesson that I learned. And this was the most important element also in all the success that I got. Mindset, habit, and learning. In fact, the program that I run called as Morning Rockstar Club is helping people grow in all these three areas. That is what my
Ah,
mission, that is
okay.
commitment is, where be it entrepreneurs, be it professionals working in the top position or maybe in the middle position, junior position. I actually run this program called Morning Rockstar Club, where I help
Mhm.
people develop mindset, habits, and routine which will take them further in their life.
Wow,
So
that's
I hope
really
that answer.
amazing.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you.
So you have already got a feedback here. So with that, yes, we can definitely, but I have the kind of, list of questions. So probably I'll just take a couple of questions here for the readings
Sure.
if anyone
Yeah.
would like to ask. But Nishant, if you can see my screen, there is a kind of a feedback or appreciation for you. I have already highlighted. If you can read it,
Yes, I can.
your
I can see that
constancy
from
of,
Navani.
yeah. So that's really inspiring. So with that, let me just take a couple of questions who would like to ask here. Naman Sethi, you have a question in career and finance. coming ahead in the coming year. So okay, I'll take only one. So since Nishant is here, so I'll take the career, and of course, Nishant, I will ask you after I give the guidance that what would you like to add from your experience, as a career guidance to someone who is looking for. Okay, so I'm just taking Naman Sethi. Please hang on. I'm taking your question. So for the year 2021, Naman Sethi, your guidance for career is. Okay. Naman, the card for you is the creativity card. Okay. This card gives you the guidance that whatever currently you are doing, a little bit you need to think about differently. Okay. If what is happening is that currently your job has become completely like a routine. Okay. You are not seeing anything. You are just taking it as it's a daily routine going. So a little bit change could be a shift of you can talk to internally or show some changes from your side proactively, to your career or to your job, whichever you do. Okay, that will actually inspire your superior management or the other people. Okay, so and they will start appreciating. So you need to a little bit think about differently. There is no as such problem with that. It's only about a little bit of a paradigm shift. So that is the guidance for you, Naman Sethi, for your career in 2021. The more in-depth can be given once you clarify, what type of job you do or, what type of business you do. So, but as of now, you have a choice. I have given you the guidance. So, Nishant, just to add, to the question of Naman. So, what a general guidance you can give somebody who is, I mean, what do they really look at? I mean, with your experience, what people look at when they talk about like, I want my career guidance. Can somebody guide me on my career? So, what exactly they should know? I think you're getting my question. I'm not able to, repeat. Yeah.
I got it. I got the sense of it. See, a lot of people, when they come and they seek guidance in the career, so there are two things that they're dealing with: the lack of clarity and also the fear of failure. They are into a routine, they are into a job which probably they are not enjoying for some reasons. Of course, I cannot tell anyone that right now that what could be the reason of unhappiness. But most of the people who feel stuck in their career is just simply because this is not something that they want to do. They want to probably do something else, but that may not be the reason always. You got to first of all have that clarity that where exactly you want to go. And
Mm-hmm.
the most important, the $1 million question there is, why do you want to go there? That why is very important. Is that your own aspiration or you have copied it from somewhere? Because most of the people, what they do is, they look at this one, okay, I graduated with these people, with bunch of colleagues, friends there. We all came out of the job. I'm getting 10 lakhs rupees a year. They are getting 20 lakhs a year. I'm not doing good in my
Mm-hmm.
career. And then they see that they feel
Comparison.
that, okay, I'm stuck here in my career. They become desperate. They become desperate. And see, the desperation will not get you the result. It is an inspiration that will get you the result. So, people who feel stuck, the first important thing is they got to really find out that what is it that they want and why do they want it, because that
Mm-hmm.
why will be a game changer for them. The moment they know why, they will be able to see what are the barriers they have, and then they'll be able to overcome that. I hope it gives you clarity, and whoever has asked this question, I'm not able to see the name. It
Yeah.
also gives clarity to them.
Yeah, because I mean, it's Naman Sethi, but it's in general, like I keep getting these questions and I keep guiding, but yeah, that really helps, instead of, just comparing that what others are doing, probably if you just focus on what skills you have or what you have learned or what you can contribute from your side. I think that reminds me, one of your post on your LinkedIn or a Facebook, which talks about that, people always blame the manager. Okay, because of my manager is not giving me appraisal, my manager is not doing this. But you really pointed it out that but have you looked at yourself? Like what have you been
Correct.
doing? other than
Absolutely.
cribbing and what you have been
Mm.
doing. So that was really an eye opening. I think there was a lot of discussion on social media about your you know this uh, this post as well, and many of the people, even when I shared on my wall as well, there were few very kind of discussions, some saying yes, some saying no, and all that. So that's really good to know that it's because that is something which gives you a different paradigm as well. I mean, why to blame only one direction because the whole world says that all the managers are bad and the same managers continue doing for their managers? I mean, where is the end for it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Also, there's one more point that I would like to add. In fact, last 6 or 7 months, I have seen a lot of people who have lost their job. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yes, market is improving, things are opening up, but then job market also has become very unstable. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
while there is a demand, there is a huge demand for the skills. At the same time, there is a segment of the people who are losing their job, and these are the people who are really struggling. Now, my message to all those people is that losing a job is not just end of the world. And I always believe, see, I've been into that situation. There were times when I was fired from my job. There
Yeah.
was a time I remember I was going through a very tough time, and I was asked to leave for certain reasons. That
Mm-hmm.
happened 16, 17 years back. But it
Wow.
is not the end of the road. It is not the end of the road, definitely not on the road. If one door has closed, there definitely another door has opened somewhere. But you got to walk up to that path. So you have two
Yeah, that
choices.
is.
Get into that one. Why it has happened to me? The time is tough. The market is tough. So I lost my job. Why it happened to me only? Why not others? Why others are doing the job and I was the only one signaled out? There's something wrong with my some certain thing. But then that
That's
is the
right.
time that okay, what new skill I'm going to acquire that will ensure that I always stay in a job. There could be millions and millions
Yeah,
of
that's
reasons.
that's
Do get
that's
stuck there.
that's very very important. In fact, in pandemic, so many people quit, but there are so many people like who made like millions into this time as well.
Yeah, take
So
this as an
that.
opportunity. If you're out of the job, it's a fantastic opportunity for you to learn something, to acquire some new skills, and go with a bang. You're going to get a job. If not today, you're tomorrow definitely you're going to get a job. But do not waste this time in cribbing or getting into that lawlessness. Find out what is it that you can do. What is it? What value you can add to your CV, to your person, to your career, to yourself, and yeah, that's very important. That's very important.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks, Nishant. I think this is we are really the your guidance is really advice are really helpful for everyone who is watching. So with that, I'll take one more question. And guys, please keep typing your questions. I will keep on taking in between, and while we are talking to Nishant. And so, Armin Aga, if you can just confirm you have shared and liked this video, and then I will take up your question as when will marriage happen? Rather, I will say that what is the good time to get married in the next 1 year for you. I will pull that guidance for you. Armin Aga, if it is okay for you, you are there. Thank you so much. Sorry. All right. Thank you, Armin Aga. I'm taking up your question now, and then we'll move on our discussion with Nishant. I'm just seeing that when is the good time for you to get married. In the meantime, can you just confirm me if you already have proposal or if you already like your partner? Okay. Okay. So Armen Aga, the time looks at for you is if you would like to get married, that is uh, between July. sorry, April, May, June. Between April to June, you can think of if you already have uh, proposed. Probably you can start looking for your partner. Okay, thanks for confirming you don't have any proposal or a partner as of now. So you can think of, and if you are thinking for the timely, the March, April to June, the second quarter of 2021, it looks better to get married, at that time. Thank you so much, and you can like and follow me as well, because these kind of series will keep on coming, and I will be keep on coming, on a live, could be tomorrow or next week, at least 3 days in a week. So you can follow me, and thank you so much. Now you have a choice. Thanks for the opportunity and sharing this. Okay, Nishant, coming back to you now. Guys, keep asking your questions here. Even if you have any question to Nishant, you can type it here. I will communicate to him. Or if you have a guidance question, you can keep on typing. I am having the cards with me. I will keep on taking the questions in between. So don't stop sharing and liking, and please carry on. Okay, with that, Nishant, you already seeing, the most important question of today's session. If you are able to see in my screen, okay, what made you to get tarot guidance after having such a wonderful, amazing, motivational, and inspiring journey? Okay, what made you to come to tarot guidance?
So, tarot guidance was something, first of all, I had, there was a time when I did not know the difference between the astrology and tarot guidance. Tarot guidance is different, Tarot guidance gave me the clarity. It gave me the direction for the next step that filled me with hope, because I have done a lot of experiments in my life, and that was one of the reasons that I could come up to this point. But those decisions were not easy. Those phases were not easy. Uh, we all go through that peaks and valleys, lows and highs, and this is the guidance actually filled me with the hope. And all of a sudden, when I got the guidance, there was a light at end of the tunnel. Whatever guidance I received, I just believed in that and started action. And very soon I started to get the result. And also, certain outcomes which I used to perceive as negative, I could see the silver lining in that. I could see the positive in that.
Wow.
And
Okay.
the most beautiful part is that it took away the entire resistance that I had, and also the negative thoughts spiraling downward. It filled me with a lot of positivity and hope, which was a booster. Because see, I'm also human. Yes, I have achieved a level. I have reached to a level. There are thousands and millions of people, who are probably way ahead.
Nishant, your video got stuck. We missed you in between. I think almost like
Is it?
10, 15
Am I?
seconds.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
10,
I'm saying
15
that,
seconds. Yeah.
okay, no matter what we are, no matter what we become, we will always remain human, and we will always have our own emotions. And the important point is that whenever we are going through the phase where a lot of negative thoughts are coming up, that was a time when you really got to see the silver lining. And tarot guidance helped me see that silver lining. I learned a lot from that. And
Okay.
and that was a big booster, because subconsciously we always know that what we want, but that gets suppressed under the layers of fear and insecurity, judgment. And the tarot guidance that I received from you really helped me go beneath those layers and take decision and continue to move ahead. So it was really helpful, extremely helpful for me.
Thank you, Nishant. I mean, that answers, to many of the people who just kind of, just view it, and they're still thinking whether, we should
Mm.
go to here, we should go to there, or how does it help? But yes, you answered many of such viewers, who are still there and who do not ask questions. So, okay, so I'm getting a bit deeper into the question. Any other questions we have here in the chat? Please ask the questions. I am taking the questions here now. Manoj Jain, if you would like to ask any questions, you can ask here. Okay, Devjani Banerjee, you have a question. Nishant, I'll take a question, and then I'm giving you a hint.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is my next question is going to be? You can just read that question. The next question is
Yeah.
going to be for you is that this one. So by the time I answer Devjani, and then we will move on to that question as well. So the relationship question. So Devjani, the card for you is the We Are the World. Okay. This means this is a positive card in terms of relations, provided you keep up your pace, what you are continuing currently. Okay. Your proactiveness, your happiness, your eagerness to help others, working within the team. So all that spirit, if you keep continuing with that, for the relationship with your colleagues, of course, this is going to be one of the best years for you. So that is the guidance for you, Devjani. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and kindly like and share this video because this is once in a lifetime opportunity. I mean, after that, this video will be available till the time the internet is there or the web is there. But this experience you will not have. So with that, let's move on to if there are any other questions, please ask. So, Nishant, by the time the other people comment on the questions, now I am moving into the next, a bit deeper into the question which you answered me last, that how did tarot guidance help you in your journey? Or if you can just add couple of, turning points or where it was helpful, that will, give more insight to the people to understand, why they should be using tarot or taking the tarot guidance.
So, as I said earlier, uh, it gave me a guidance. How did it help me? It helped me actually, choose a direction. For example, if you remember when I had come to you, I was about to start my venture, and there were a lot of questions that I was dealing with. I had a few thoughts and doubts in my own mind. We all have that. As I said, we are all humans. We all have those emotions. But the tarot guidance really helped me actually overcome those thoughts and continue moving it in my journey. I see a clear difference in that I'm now taking much more action despite having all doubts and fear and obstacles there. For
Mm-hmm.
example, when I had my one-to-one session with you, I saw your FB live, and then we had a one-to-one session, and it just changed the entire perspective. The guidance was so clear, immediately dot out all the doubts and concerns. Even even though I knew somewhere deep down, but with the readings, it all came out, and I was able to launch it successfully. I could see my own fear where I was getting stuck. So
Mm-hmm.
that guidance actually helped me not only taking a decision faster, much faster, but also helped me in my personal life as well because I could overcome those. I could see the patterns in my life, and
Mm.
it's really giving me fantastic result. So I hope
Okay, thank you, Nishant.
that gives you clarity.
No, no, definitely. I mean, not to me, but to the people who still
Yeah,
hesitate to, what this gives. But I could sense only one thing till now, right from your journey to the tarot guidance and everything. The key is here. The guidance is just showing you a pathway. But if you
correct.
don't take the action, okay, if you don't walk on that path, I mean, I
Hmm.
believe no one can do anything. And we can't expect the miracles happening just like, in a minute. I mean, this doesn't happen. So this has to, go through a certain process. And we are the one who can initiate that process and then we reach to that, the end result. So with that, Nishan, the next question is, uh, what specific results you received following the guidance
Hmm.
you received from Tarot? Only I'm just putting this as a next question here.
Okay. I think, as I said, one of the areas where it really helped me is actually in taking few very important, very crucial decisions of my life. We are
Mm-hmm.
in touch for more than a year now, and last 1 year, a lot of things have shifted. We have gone through that pandemic situation. We have gone through lockdown where the business was shut. Even my work was impacted because
Mm-hmm.
my clients, they had challenges, so it
Mm-hmm.
impacted me. It impacted everyone. So during those situations, during those challenging times, certain areas where I felt that I was actually dealing with certain things, the guidance really helped me move ahead. It decluttered my mind completely. It really gave me that kind
Wow.
of confidence and peace during those times. And the most recent example that I can give you is when I had to launch my venture, the new venture that I recently launched, and the program
Yeah.
that I'm doing, Morning Rockstar Club. I think that is where I got phenomenal support from this guidance. It filled me with that lot of positive energy, because this tarot guidance is completely based on energy. And I
Yeah.
think every time I come to you now is something that I'm so, even though there are doubts, but I know that there is no obstacle which cannot be overcome.
Yeah.
That
You're
it
right.
gave me
Yes.
that, it gave me that courage, it gave me the strength, and it boosted my confidence to, to really, really move ahead with that kind of, with positivity.
Wow. Yeah. It's all about, first thing is the trust and believing and having that courage. So courage to walk. So in the deck there is, courage card as well. And when it comes, it really, inspires people. So with that, Nishant, we have one question to take. Neetu Wadhwa, please confirm if you have liked and shared this video. By the time I prepare and do a prayer for your health card, please confirm if you have not done that. You can please do that. Okay, the guidance. Thank you, Neetu Wadhwa, for confirming. Neetu Wadhwa, the health guidance for you is the first of all, you need to stop regretting, some of the past mistakes which you have done. Or it could be certain comments which people have said you, and that is making you sad because this is not leading you anywhere, and it is impacting your emotional health as well. So please stop doing that. The only guidance for you is that leave what has gone, okay, and stop. If you're looking at these stars, there is certain positivity coming up, but you are ignoring that. You are just looking at down. If you just look up, means leave the past and just move ahead. Be well at your emotions, and your health will be fine. Otherwise, it can lead to anywhere, we all know. So that is the guidance for you. Thank you so much, Neetu Wadhwa. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and you have a choice. Yes, Yamini, taking guidance is one thing, and following religiously actually does miracle. Yes. Nishant, I think you found a fan in my viewership as well. You can see that. So
Yeah.
now soon you have, uh, a fan club, in my viewership as well. And this is the, you know, the the feedback for just now, which the guidance I given. Thank you, Neetu Wadhwa. You can also follow because you will have so many other things on my page, and that is, I'm not asking any energy exchange for that. It is just available for anyone who follows, who can visit my page and get that. So, Nishant, now let's move on. And uh, so, what is, I would say, not more, but I would say at least, what are the three advices
Hmm.
you would give to the people? As you see, like, mostly, I get uh, the questions for career guidance or job related or the promotion related, and
Hmm.
mostly I also get some of the people who are my private clients. I mean, they choose not to come here, but they come to me and They are, purely, businessman kind of, so they do business investments, and few of them who come like for very, very critical position recruitment as well. Like they have
Mm.
one position and they have, two, three candidates, so whom they should take, whom they should not. Uh, so all those kind of. So in general, what would be from your 27 years of experience and having worked, individually, independently, coaching, training, mentoring, I mean, what not? Okay, because you have done everything. So what would be your few advices? If you'd like to limit the numbers, I'll leave it up to you. But I'll say that what would be few of those advices uh, to all the people who are watching us here, or who would be even watching once this video will go up, into the air, because this is going to be remain as well. So
Got it. So, from my experience, I will just suggest one thing and one advice that I want to give it to everyone, that just getting the guidance is not enough. Got to take action. People really, really need to take action. Identifying your barriers. People get into this mode that, okay, I will think about it. Let me first see whether what Nishant is saying is right for me or not, and then I will go. Once I will validate, then I'll take a decision. So I always tell people that take action, have the courage to fail. That's okay, because failure is not personal. Identify your barriers, because whatever is stopping you here is actually stopping you everywhere. It's a pattern that follows everywhere. For
yeah,
example, getting the vegetables from the market won't promise you a good and tasty meal. You have to get
yeah,
the recipe right. You got to have the spices in place, and then you need the right knowledge to prepare it accordingly. You got to know the right proportion. You need to know for how long this must be cooked and at what stage what spices
that's
must be
right.
added. you know
Wow,
and
what an
and
example.
also,
Yeah,
yeah, and also the same recipe may not give the desired taste to everyone. Like you or
yeah,
me may have different likes. I like spicy food. You may like very bland food. The
yes. I don't like
generalization,
much spicy food. Yes.
yeah, and I love spicy food, by the way. So generalization is not going to work. What has
Hmm.
worked for one person may not work for other. So the personalized guidance and the personalized coaching has worked for me. And I just
Hmm.
tell people that, be willing to receive, willing to get coached, invest in yourself. Another thing is to understand is that if I just give you the instruction manual, and if I just give someone an instruction manual, make that person stand in front of an aeroplane, let's say Boeing 737, that person, no
Yeah.
matter how exhaustive and comprehensive that manual is, that person will still not be able to fly the plane just by reading the instruction manual.
Yeah, that's right.
Got to
That's
undergo
profound.
deep coaching for that. you know and you will get sure shot get the results when you actually make a choice to go for this deeper coaching wherever you're stuck. And as I said, that taking action and self investment, these are the very important thing. People say, okay, let me go to YouTube, let me find it there are tons of good videos, but the
Yeah.
implementation, the execution of that is very important. you know
Yes.
just give guidance,
Absolutely.
like you give a guidance to someone that, okay, you just keep believing in yourself and you'll get the job, and then the person just cannot go and lie on the bed. Oh, now the tarot reader has said that I'm going to get a job. It's not just gonna happen. You got to keep
Yeah.
believing. It means you got to keep taking action, action, action. That is how it is going to work. So that's one advice. And also, as I am repeatedly saying this, focus on three things: mindset, habit, and routine. If you
Hmm.
do not have this, no guidance is going to help you anywhere. No coaching is going to help you anywhere. No book in the world is going to help you anywhere. Okay? It is just your mindset, habit, and routine. You got to follow that. Action, 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 and action is the key.
So would you like to give some examples, like small examples, like the mindset or uh, the habit?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I have loads of example for that.
Yeah, but just
My
few that just
For
to people
example,
to understand that.
correct, correct. Now, when people, uh, I'll actually share one story from my life.
Yeah, that will be really great. Yes.
I'll share a story from my life. There was a time when I was really struggling in my job, and of course, I was not as matured. I had recently got married some time back, and
Mhm.
I was not the same person that I am right now because I have worked a lot in
Okay.
my on myself in the last 5 6 years. And
Mhm.
my wife was I was dealing with certain issues in my job at that time, and my wife said that, Nishant, why don't you apply in large companies, big companies? And I said, who
Mhm.
will take me? I don't have a degree, I don't have a qualification. People will not hire me. They just look for the degree. And she said that, Nishant, worst and worst, what will happen? They will say no. They're not going to hang you. They're not going to put you in jail. That how can you apply
Yeah.
in large MNC because you're not a graduate? And that rang some bell. And I went to Naukri.com. I uploaded my CV. And then after some time, I received a call from HP.
Mhm.
And I remember the interviews. When I came out the interviews, I called up my wife that I don't know whether it will happen because they're looking for a someone. I don't know what kind of work they have because I had never done that work. But then I was hired, and the story I
Wow.
got to know later because my hiring manager,
Mhm.
Shastri, he later told me that, Nishant, you were hired for your attitude, not because of your qualification. Because when
Wow.
we interviewed you, we knew that this guy is a fighter and we want that person. So I was upfront and I told them, and I'll tell you the statement that I'd used in that interview, which worked for me.
Mhm.
I told
Okay.
them that I may not have the right degree for this job. I may not have the right education for this job. I may not have the right experience for this job. But I can tell you only one thing, that if I can come up to this level without any support, without any education, I know I'm going to
Yeah.
go
That
to this also. That is what I
that
said,
that
and
that's
that
very
got me
profound.
hired in
Mhm.
HP. And another example that a lot of people come to me and say that, if I had a degree from that top MBA college, I probably would have been able to do that job or that role. The company will not give me.
Mhm.
And I
Yeah.
tell them that at least don't say these stories in front of me. It's just your belief which is holding you. It is your mindset. It is your mindset. You know.
Yes.
And also another mindset that is very surprising to the people is when I ask people to go for coaching, they will not see that what value it can add to their life. Or they say, oh, he's a coach now, he's selling his program. What's wrong in that? I'm doing my
Yes.
job. I'm there to make a difference
Absolutely.
to you. But people are not. People are looking at that as well, that okay, why this, what is the personal interest that person has? I'm talking about that mindset. You got to
True.
become that learner, lifelong learner. You got to open up for receiving. And then the habits become very important, what habits you follow.
Mhm.
And
So
that's
any
why I said,
example for habit?
yeah, see, I'll tell you, in last 1 year, I have coached more than 1,000 people.
Wow.
And majority of these people, they said, I know I can do much better if I wake up early. I
Okay.
want to wake up early, but I am not able to do that. So one is their
Okay.
mindset is working, which is telling them that I can't wake up in the morning. I can't wake up in the morning. And they have
Yes.
started to believe in that I can't wake up in the morning. That is a
Mhm.
mindset, because they don't have any good habits. They have old habits. What are the old habits? That okay, oh, I am very busy, I got to keep looking at my phone. What if there is some important mail?
Mhm.
They are so glued to their
Ah.
phone. The morning they wake up in the morning, the first thing that they do is they check their phone. And imagine the amount of negativity, all these messages, and most of the time they are not important messages. They are against
Yeah.
some government or something or some joke or something. They start pouring in negativity right from in the morning. I ask people,
Yes.
some people say, no, I wake up in the morning and then I ask them, what do you do? They said, I read newspaper and I watch news. And I said, okay, you start your day with that big dose of negativity. And I ask
That's right.
people to stop those habits and build new habits. That you do meditation. You wake up in the morning, do meditation. Write journals. Do the gratitude journal. I write journals a lot. I write a lot. I think on paper. People have lost the habit of writing. They
Yeah.
feel that everything is there in the head. But I push people to think on the paper. And that is what I do in my morning workshop club, the program, the new batch, which is starting from 18. That is what I'm going
Mhm.
to do with the people. And
Okay.
then routine. Fix a routine. That routine is very important. You know? So these are the three things, and I hope I gave you the right examples from my life as well. What has worked for me.
Yes, in fact, these things are quite been helpful, and this will be helpful for the people who are watching us here or listening to Nishant. But before I say that, Nishant, you can see one more comment from Maheshwar Tiwari. He said he was already following me, but now he's a bigger fan of yours. So hopefully I'll
Yeah.
open a Nishant fan club,
Thank you,
on my
Maheshwar.
page.
Thank you,
Okay.
Maheshwar. Yeah, Maheshwar is my friend, and he has seen my journey. He has actually seen my
Oh,
journey.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's in
wonderful.
US, and I remember Maheshwar. Yes, he was my colleague 16 years back.
Wow, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's really good to know. So with that, this has been a really great learnings, and normally people, I have seen most of the people they give certain just bullet points like okay mindset, habits, and but here the difference with Nishant is that he given with the live examples, uh, how the things happens, what people do, and this all has come from his own experience. Okay, the thousands of people he has given a coaching who has been their clients, and those who want to get in touch with Nishant, you can follow him. His LinkedIn and Facebook posts are amazing. I mean, those will be like kind of part of your daily life. Whatever we do, but we ignore, and he will pick something from there, and he will write a small post, not very long, would be about 10, 12 lines, and that will shift your energy, shift your mind, or give you a different thought as well. So you can always, there is Nishant has already put his link into the comment box, so you can definitely follow him, and you will get to know and you will get to learn so many things with that. So with that, Nishant, almost 52 minutes, and we are over by almost like 8 minutes. We scheduled it for 45 minutes, but we are going ahead. So but it was a great inspiration, and thank you for inspiring everyone who have watched us now, and thank you for inspiring everyone who will be keep on watching this video. Okay, as and when it gets circulated in your network, in my network, definitely. So with that, Nishant, thank you so much for your time once again and inspiring people. And I
Thank
thank you all the viewers who have watched us, and thank you for watching. So next month, I'm announcing now. It's a next month. I don't know who will be, but there will be another person who will be giving us certain inspiration or certain guidance on this page. So with that, Nishant, thank you for accepting the invite and making your commitment. And I thank you for, on behalf of all my viewers and all my channel followers, all my people who have liked my videos, all the people who have shared the videos. I do that. Okay, so with
you.
that, thank you so much, and you stay blessed.
Thank
And
you.
thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone. And I have also shared the link to my LinkedIn profile so you can people can connect with me. And
Yes.
also, I have shared the link of the program that I do, Morning Rockstars Club. I have
Yeah.
put the link there so people can go through that, and they can explore through that. They can, because this is going to be a life changing event for the people in case if they're interested. But this is
Yeah, in
only, as I
fact,
said,
I am attending that as well. So I have already registered. I'm telling all my viewers that I have already registered for that program, and I'm quite excited. Starting 18th Monday morning. So though I am early, I wake up early, but yes, I'm at 6:20, right? 6:20
yeah,
to
6:20
7:10.
a.m. to 7 a.m.
6:20 to
40
7
minutes
a.m. So 40 minutes.
40 minutes every
Uh,
day, Monday to Friday, of 15 live sessions spread over 3 weeks. So there are no
wow.
live sessions weekend, but on the weekdays only. But this can change your life. This can change anyone's life.
Now you can
But also,
see, guys, how Nishant is, making a difference. Like 21 days going live with that commitment of one particular time is not a joke. Now you can understand if he's keeping that commitment. Now why can't we at least keep our own commitment, at least to ourselves? Whether you join the program, you like it, that is completely your choice. But at least, keep what you are doing. That will be very, very important. So thank you, Nishant, and I wish you
Thank
all
you
the
so much.
best. And of course, I have already registered for your program. So Morning Star, I am coming, and I'll also like to explore something new. If probably I'll pick up something and then I'll implement that into my life. And so with that, thank you everyone. And I think we are just 10 minutes above the time. So thank you, Nishant, for extending your time as well. So with that, thank you so much. Stay blessed, everyone, and have a good night. Thank you,
Bye. Good
Nishant.
night, everyone. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.